Question number 1. Which of the following types of cell recognize and kill the abnormal pathogen infected cells? Mast cell, B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, neutrophils. Correct answer is option C, T lymphocyte. Question number 2. When was the term apoptosis coined? 1972, 1982, 1992, 2002. Correct answer is option A, 1972. Question number 3. The CED3 gene product in nematodes has homologous dash in mammals. Kinase, esterase, caspase, endonuclease. Correct answer is option C, caspase. Question number 4. Inactivation of which of the following leads to detachment of the apoptic cell? FAK, PKB, PKC, RAF1. Correct answer is option A, FAK. Full form of FAK is a focal adhesion kinase. Question number 5. Inactivation of which of the following leads to shrinkage of the nucleus? Lamine, tubulin, actin, glycine. Correct answer is option A, lamine. Question number 6. Cytokines serve as a for apoptosis. Internal stimuli, external stimuli, inhibitor, substitutes. Correct answer is option B, external stimuli. Question number 7. Which of the following is an extracellular messenger of apoptosis? Serine, tumor necrosis factor, ribozyme, translation inhibitor. Correct answer is option B. Tumor necrosis factor is an extracellular messenger of apoptosis. Question number 8. Which of the following is also termed as a DATE receptor? Correct answer is option A. TNFR1 is also termed as DATE receptor. Question number 9. The last protein to involve in apoptic pathway induced by TNF are caspase 2, procaspase 2, caspase 8, procaspase 8. Correct answer is option D. Procaspase 8 is the last protein involved in apoptic pathway which is induced by TNF. Question number 10. Which family of protein regulates the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis? BCL2, BCL4, caspase 2, caspase 8. Correct answer is option A, BCL2. Question number 11. Which of the following is involved in the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis? Cytochrome A, cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome D. Correct answer is option C, cytochrome C. It also a component of electron transport chain. Question number 12. Apoptic bodies can be recognized by the presence of on the surface phosphoacetyl serine, phosphoacetyl choline, phosphoacetyl inositol, phosphoacetyl tyrosine. Correct answer is option A, phosphatidyl serine. Question number 30. Which of the following is a calcium binding protein? Cyclin, clamidin, rennin, kinetin. Correct answer is option B, clamidin. Question number 40. Clamidin has low affinity for magnesium ions, iodine, non-stimulated cell, stimulated cell. Correct answer is option C, non-stimulated cell. Question number 50. Nitric oxide is formed from which of the amino acid? L-lysine, R-lysine, R-arginine, L-arginine. Correct answer is option D, L-arginine. Question number 60. Acetylcholine has the function of muscle relaxation, fertilizing agent, promoting cell adhesion, promoting cell division. Correct answer is option A, muscle relaxation. Question number 70. The diffusible agent produced by binding of acetylcholine to endothelial cell is vimetine, nitric oxide, hydrogen peroxide, hydrogen sulfide. Correct answer is option B, nitric oxide. Question number 80. Binding of acetylcholine to outer surface of endothelial cell signals increase in cytosolic calcium concentration, decrease cytosolic calcium concentration, increase in acidity, increase in basicity. Correct answer is option A, increase in cytosolic calcium concentration. Question number 90. Which of the following compound is metabolized into nitric oxide? Phosphoglycerin, nitroglycerin, sulforaphane, serotin. Correct answer is option B, nitroglycerin. Question number 20. The post-translation modification involving nitric oxide is called N-nitrosylation, P-nitrosylation, N-glycosylation, S-nitrosylation. Correct answer is option D, S-nitrosylation.